Hey everybody, it's Maureen with Katie Home Organizer, and welcome to another edition of Ask the Organizer, where we are focused on the closet. And today's question is, hey Maureen, I have got a lot of shoes. Any recommendations on how I can organize them? Well, I have quite a few recommendations on how you can organize your shoes, and I'm going to show you some pictures to help illustrate that. First is a hanging shoe storage that you hang from the bar. It's a great way to store high heels, especially if you have 3-inch heels or taller. Another one is shoe cubbies. They're a great compact way to store multiple pairs of shoes for sizes 8 or smaller, and they fit 2-inch heels or less. And then the last one is shoe shelves. Shoe shelves work great for men and women's shoes, and they also work really well in garages and other drop zones where you want to store family shoes. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you have a question that you'd like me to answer on Ask the Organizer, feel free to send it to me at hello@katiehomeorganizer.com, and I will answer it on an upcoming episode of Ask the Organizer. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time.